So if you're holding out for luck or RG3, here you go. It's one pack. I think there's 5 hits. I think 3 autos and 2 jerseys. Yeah, that's only it. So
One brick lock.
he destroy somebody's head with this.
Very expensive brick.
Yeah. And I know these are like all jacked up, aren't they? Like left and right. Vincent Jackson. It's got a mark on it, Gabby. I don't know if you can see this. To 199. Doug Flutie. Bills. Pretty nice. Number 81 out of 99.
A little bit better there.
A little bit better.
Next one just needs to have a 1.
Michael the Burner Turner. 23 out of 25. Matthew Stafford, captains, to 349. For the Rams, honors Marshall Faulk, Offensive Player of the Year. Oh, that felt good. 349. For the Vikings, Jarius Wright, 2-color patch auto. You can barely see it in there. You guys see that on there?
That's a gold, isn't it?
This one is number 2, 349. Cyrus Gray for the Chiefs. I don't think Tyler will mind. Cyrus Gray for the Chiefs. He's a running back. Number 299. For the Colts, Vic Ballard to 199. We got a redemption. We'll just save it to the last. Des Bryant, dual jersey for the Cowboys, 15 out of 99. Derek Wolfe and Jeff Fuller rookies. And the redemption is for B.J. Coleman. He's a Packer, I think.
Yes.
B.J. Coleman for the Packers.
That's not bad.
Rookie signatures.
Right, and we have other signatures.
That's bad.